here to here is 38. So come and measure the sleeve also. Now, measure it here. Okay, this 35, 36, 37, 38. It hits here. So you just must draw the straight line here. Just make it thin. Alright. So after that, you have to also draw this place downwards. Now, before you draw that downward, we have to mark this 8. Right from here to here is 8, right? So you have to mark it here. After I've done that, we'll draw just a horizontal line here to separate that before we can now draw this one downward. That's looking at it from up here. So measure it also. It's here. Right. So you horizontal line to join it together. Just thin line. After I've done that, oh, jump out with no progress. Let's do side. Okay. Thin chain line. Now I've done this. I can make this size. Right. I can make this line thick. Normally people do this is like outlining. People do their own after the whole drawing, but I don't do this so I can show the difference between this and the projection. So now this projection line here, this tension is showing that from the up here, we are looking at from up. There is something actually passed from this side here. I don't know if you understand. They show that there's actually a square inside this place here. The square inside here. So the way the engineer will know, looking at from the front elevation, we know that there's a square actually inside this here. So let's trace this small square right here. Trace from the plan. Look that one up to show very well this square. Now, once we know from the square that the ending of the square to this side is 15. So the pair and draws 15. That's from the middle, right? It's 15. So draw 15. Draw 15 here. Just mark here anyway. At the center of the square. Right. Now, for the size of the square, you see that from here to here is 30. So, since from here to here is 30, you can use to draw the square. I'll explain more. Since it's a square, they're trying to tell you that all the lengths, all the distances between the sides are the same. Now, here, that's that the distance is 10. That means all each side, that means it's one of the property of the square that all the sides are equal. So we have mark 15. We may for us to mark 30. So from here, from the ending, don't forget to start from the beginning here to the center. Now it gives us 30. So mark from the center here. Right to the middle. Just mark 3 here. That's 3 centimeters. So we can actually draw a center line. Just a very thin line. Okay, we start to the 15 because of the width is more important here. Right. So I've done that. Just use this one, that point of 30. Make the perpendicular line to that line. Now, from here now, since we know here 10 is 10, this place is 10, this all the sides are 10. Just come and measure. You put your rule as 5 here. Okay. Let's start from here. You put it as 5 at the middle. Alright. Put that 5 at the middle. Then you mark 0. You also mark 1 here. Alright. So the other side you do the same thing. You put your rule as 5. You mark 0 here. You mark 1 here. So after I've done that, you just come and make drawing using this parallel lines. It should be a teaching line you're using. Don't mind me using it. Tick line. I'll correct that later. Right. After I've done this, looking at from the plan, we have done everything. There's nothing missing. So now, for you to draw the side view, for the side view to be complete, it's not a complete. The only thing missing is this line here. I'm not done the projection to be here. The projection is there has to be a 90-degree cut here. This 90-degree will turn your drawing to this side here you are looking at. To turn this hole to show that there's a hole actually at the bottom of this side here. So we will construct a 45-degree here. So the function of the 45 degrees to turn it, don't forget. Now to do that, we can use 45 degrees as well. Or you can use your compass just as you wish. But you can also use your 45 degrees as well. Just put it here, right? Then move it here. Simple, right? That's it. So we'll project everything here, and the point where this line meets this one, we'll turn it to this other place. Let's turn it into the side elevation. Don't forget your projecting it in chain line. So don't forget your projection works. Once you meet there, you stop. Anything that's for the horizontal lines, so you can't project vertical lines. Right, we do the same thing here. Use your 60 degree to draw 90 as a perpendicular line. You see. You can see this thin line is showing that from this place here, that this line passed through, so it's not just plain, that there's a line here actually that's going to show that this side from here to here is 8. So let's move to the next one. This next one is for the square. Right. So just understand the turning process, not just cramming it. You understand why you drawn that way. And the point is the 45 degree. So you get a projection looking up. Right. Okay. You do the same on this side here. Just put the line with 10. Right, this is place. We'll do the same here. The point meets the line. Now, you see that our drawing is perfect. Everything aligned with it. Now, the next thing to do is outlining. What's outlining? As I said in the last video, is making all the drawings, bringing out the main drawing. So these thin lines will just be at the side, showing the hidden lines or the hidden details. And we can use thin show dashes to show the thin show dashes to show the holes, like the projection line, the hidden ones. Alright, this is just an example of the projection. You see how this place come out. But before we continue, I just think it's very important for you to just looking at from the plan here, from the front elevation also. Sorry, from the front elevation, you know that this cube is going to be at this side. So there's a need to project this one to this side here. So just using your thin chain line, just do that. This is all forget me I didn't use thin chain line to do that. Alright, thin chain line to do that. Do the same for this place. Thin chain line. Right, so that's this for this side. Now for the last outlining, don't forget use a HB pencil for outlining so the drawing will come out. I don't say let me do this so you see how I outline it. Just put it here. Look very quick. Alright. This side the same thing here.